Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will explain you gold analysis. We have to be very careful. I'm not going to explain the fundamental perspective because it doesn't make sense at all. So we are going to focus only on the technical perspective. Since when the price was in this area, when I posted the analysis, it was 4 days ago. We can see that the price increased as expected, reached the first target, reacted, tested the structure support and increased up to 3900. So we can see the price reaction in this zone. It was exactly here where we had our target. It was missed for some points only, it was to close. I updated this also later after the price created the structure zone. When it came down to the structure, I was expecting for this movement again. Came near to this area, small support, tested again. Yesterday, when I posted the analysis, the price made a clear confirmation for a bullish continuation movement. We can see that increased only near to the zone. It was 38.97, 98, something like that. So it was here, and later we saw a very quick sell-off that happened. Today we are in a very different situation. That is why we have to be careful, and I wanted to explain this on details. It's very complex overall. It doesn't have anything to do with only the fundamental perspective. Yesterday the price created this type of small double top pattern. This is a big problem in this zone. If we are going to take in consideration this as a pattern, so the chances are that probably we are in a 1, 2, 3 correction and the next movement could be down. So if this scenario is going to be true, the chances are that gold can probably move down to this zone to test the yesterday low 38.20, and probably it can drop further to 37.95. So this is what can happen for the bearish scenario. Let's make this bigger, and we can be in this ABC correction if we are right about this pattern. Otherwise, if this is not the right pattern, we can be in a bullish scenario. We have to be careful. You can take a screenshot of this bearish scenario. If the opposite happens, we can be in a different situation, but it's not clear yet, it's not confirmed. Let me clear this one. And we can be also in this bullish setup. If this is the right pattern, and given that the trend is bullish, we can be in a possible bullish accumulation. If we are going to look at the previous patterns, the price accumulated, increased, probably we can be in another accumulation before another bullish wave. However, for this movement, the price has to bounce above the zone where it was completed earlier. It has to bounce above 38.95 in order to continue to 4,000. This is for the bullish scenario. Probably if it breaks 38.95, probably you will not be interested for the 39.25, but probably you can use 39.50 and 4,000. So this is also for the bullish scenario. These type of scenarios are very complex because one of them invalidates the other scenario. And here we had also the bearish target. So one was here, and one was in this zone. So it can be that also this pattern probably is going to expand in this way so it can make something like that, something bigger, even if it goes up or down after that. So we must be very careful because both ways is very complex overall. So I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. If you find this very complex, it's better to avoid trading gold. If you think that is going to rise further, then it's better if you wait for the breakout from 38.95 before you invest more in long positions. I hope you guys enjoyed this well detailed analysis. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Bye bye.